So here we are with week 2 of this Pick Your Number to Declutter challenge for the month of January. And here are my items. It's 70 items, so we're going to go through them real quick. Now, these items right here are things that my daughter decluttered. She just decided that she didn't want these items anymore, so there's this nice top, or I should say, it's not a top, it's a dress. Get it right, Jay Jackson, get it right. Anyway, this right here is a dress that my daughter is decluttering. Then here is another dress that she decided to let go. I'm not even sure on the reasons why. I didn't ask her. I just took the stuff and I was happy that she was decluttering, because my daughter needs to declutter some stuff in her room. But that's for another story, going down the rabbit hole. Anyway, this dress right here, she ended up decluttering that. These boots here, although they're cute, she said they really hurt her feet. And I guess I could kind of see why. But anyway, she's letting these boots here go. Then these shoes here, same thing. I don't know the reason why with these shoes here. She just told me she was ready to get rid of them. So I thought they were cute though. I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to give them away because I just don't need to have any more shoes. So those are going. Then these shorts here, my daughter works for a delivery service. If you know the colors, you know. These are shorts that she has to wear during the summer. Notice I said she's supposed to wear them during the summer. Anyway, she doesn't, and I think they're too small for her, to be honest with you. But anyway, she has never worn them, and all the time she has worked for this delivery service. So she gave these to me. Then we have these shoes here. Cute shoes. As you guys can tell, my daughter is going to be 25 this year. This month is her birthday on the 23rd. So anyway, my point is she's older. So anyway, she was wearing these heels and she decided she doesn't want them any longer. So she's going to let these go. Then we ended up with a new faucet for the bathroom. So we're replacing it. This is the old faucet head here, handheld faucet head, I should say. So we're going to let that go. Then let's move on over here to the other side. These are items that I'm letting go. This t-shirt here, although I love it, it has the Nike symbol on it. And it says wifey. I can't seem to get it straight here. And it says 2000. No, not 2000. You know what I'm trying to say. This t-shirt says 2/27/93. So this marks my husband and I this year will be married for 30 years. And we were married in 1993, believe it or not. Anyway, I love this top. However, it's not working for me anymore. So I'm just going to have to get another one because I really do like the little wifey thing there and showing the year that we were married. Then I have this top here. It says Queen because in my household, I am Queen Bee, okay? Anyway, this top here is one of the tops that I'm going to be letting go. It's just too small. Then I think I had thought about this earlier with this top, but anyway, I decided to let it go. I love it because it has, trying to get it right, it has Baby Yoda on it, and I love the Mandalorian with the Baby Yoda, but this is just, it's too small. Well, not really. I won't say it's too small. I just need to let it go, okay? Next thing here, these are the shorts that go with that. So it's like a, summer pajama get up there. Next summer get up, just gonna go on and let this go. I love the little pink, what do you call this, camouflage here. These are the tops, or this is the top, and here are the bottoms. Then I have another set of pajamas here, or bottoms, or it's a set. Let me just put it together. I did say, well, not put it together. I don't really have to, but anyway, this is a set of summer pajamas as well, and I want to let those go. Just don't feel good when I'm looking at myself in the mirror with those, so it's gotta go. Then I have this next item right here. This is a t-shirt from church. We had something going on at the church one year, and these were t-shirts that were given out to everyone while I was serving. We ended up wearing these shirts, and it just says, I will be. Like I said, it was part of a ministry that we were doing at that time. Then I need to let go of these shorts because they are too short and they are too small. So 2 means they need to go. All right. Next thing are the rest of these wooden pieces here. I gave away some of these in the first week of the Declutter challenge, and so this is the rest of them. As well, I found this Christmas bowl here. I'm going to get rid of that. I no longer like it or need it, so it goes as well. Then while downstairs, I ended up looking at some more what do you call these, like not Thanksgiving, I guess like harvest, Thanksgiving, October decorations, okay, and November. So anyway, I need to get rid of these two here, pumpkins. Then I will was another ministry top here, so I'm going to let that go as well. Then these are reusable menstrual pads. Since your girl is going through menopause, I no longer need pads, and my daughter, she doesn't like using these. She likes the disposable ones. If you're a person that does reusable things, you know that these are something that is very useful when you are going through that time of menstruating. And so anyway, I have a lot of them. I used to use them, pretty much on a monthly basis. And like I said, my daughter, she doesn't want to use them. I'm trying to get her to use those and get the cup and all that, but she just doesn't want to do that. So, they're going. I'll probably, of course, these are clean. I'll probably have to, it's a sad thing, I might have to throw them away because I can't think of anywhere else. Maybe a women's shelter, I don't know. Some people get kind of squeamish when you're trying to give them something like this. Is so personable, but I don't know. I'll have to see. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Because like I said, I'm thinking of tossing them, but these were like pretty pricey. I got them from Amazon at the time I was using them, and like I said, I just don't need them any longer.